Caerdydd yn fyr I Bicker. Groesiad teg at y postyn pella Emlyn Lewis. Neb ar ei gyfil. Ddylsa'r met yn dar y blaen. Emlyn Lewis yn methu'r targed o 6 llath. Dihangfa i'r Drenewydd. Groesiad yn dod I mewn. Teg at Jones. Dacl gan McCarthy. Rhys wedyn. Ac hwnna'n cico'r smotin yn di ma hi. Dylan Rhys. A tacl fler iawn yn y cwrt Cosby ar Mitchell. Neu Cryston. Ac ar y bediad wych gan y golwr Alex Lang. Oedd hi'n gig siomedig gan Ruston. Y golwr yn mynd y ffordd cywir. Cig gornel gynta yn oson i'r Drenewydd. Teg at y postyn pella. Yn wthiad yn gefn. Na, mae'n dyfarnwr. Roberts. Sneith yno. Gynta. Neil. Cyfle I ledu'r chwarae teg at Elliot Evans. Mae'n brasgamu'r cwrt Cosby. Evans. Y roi'r met ar y blaen. 8 munud ar y cloc. Gwrth ymysodiad chwim. Neil darganfod Elliot Evans. Un o ser y met y tymor dwytha. A mae wedi dechrau y tymor yma lle orffennodd y tymor dwytha. Allan gan Lewis I Spencer. Fyny teg at Will Evans. Gadael redag I Neil. Will Evans ddim yn teipio I Gwdwyn Evans. Cyfle hyraidd arall i'r myfyrwyr. Rhys. Cyffyrddiad da gan Will Evans I Elliot Evans. Sotliad I Matt Neil. Dwi ddim yn cam sefyll. Groesiad ddim yn teg at Dan Spencer ar y postyn pella. 9 munud ar 20 ar y cloc. A mae'r myfyrwyr ar ôl symudiad godidog lawr y chwith wedi dyblu mantais yn erbyn y Drenewydd. Cig gornel o'r maes ymarfer Ruston. Mae'n disgyn y rhydd yn y cwrt 6 a'r beidiad wych gan Lang. Nid am y tro cynta heno. Yn achub y myfyrwyr. Williams. Groesiad I mewn. Cael I ffinio mor bell a Fletcher. Ruston. Y gyfle I Ruston ar y beidiad. Oedd ar Lang tar o'r postyn. A mae rhaid deud ydy ddim yn noson neu Cryston heno. Cyfle arall iddo fo yn cael ei wastraffu. Fletcher. Bas dda I Ruston. Allan I Neil Mitchell. Diffurious. Gyll Groesiad yn ei dda. Mae'n cael ei dyrnu allan gan Lang. Mae'n gefn o rhwyd rwan gan yr eilydd. Joe Kenton. 20 munud o'r gêm yn weddill. Chwarae taclus a mae di dod gan y Drenewydd yn ystod yr ail hanner. Nhw di'r tîm gorau di bod yn llawn heiddi dod yn ôl I mewn i'r gêm. Cook ymlaen teg at Gwdwyn Ruston. Mae di methu cyfle i'r edd arall. Faint o gyfleon mae ni Cryston angen henodwch. A so mae drwy nos dwi'n meddwl yn sgorio heno.
Christian, not the best performance, but a great 3 points.
That's a great performance. It was a great performance. You got 6, 7 senior players missing. Young squad that's been put together. Fantastic pre-season. I think the team will be better for that. I thought whilst we were under a lot of pressure tonight, the young boys experienced what it's like to play in a Welsh Premier League, and I can only use that as a positive. Every manager in the Welsh Premier League this evening and over the course of the weekend are looking for their 3 points. Some will seek performances, some will just seek the points. Some will be lucky and get both.
In terms of the performance, we're happy, but we're not happy because we've lost the game. And it's probably one of them that it's harder to take. If you get beat 4 or 5 and you play and you're poor, then you accept that. But more so, but tonight we've come here and put a really good show on, and what we're trying to do this year and how we're trying to play. And we've come away with nothing. But it's frustrating, disappointing, but we have to make sure now that we put the levels of performance on for the rest of the season and rolling into next week and Caerdydd at home on Friday night.
Live in front of the cameras next week against one of your old clubs.
Yeah, Aber. Yeah, they did well again. They beat Llandudno tonight, which I wouldn't say is a surprise, but everyone's talking about Llandudno and Ewan's team. So that's great for them. They'll come into the game buoyant. We'll come into the game with more bodies back, and we look forward because we asked the players to put a yardstick in the ground tonight, and we've probably asked them to take that yardstick out and place it in the ground next week, and that's the way we will be at it. It's about responding for us this year. We developed last year, we need to respond, and a better way with 3 points in the first game of the season.
And obviously, A-level results coming out next Thursday. You hoping for new signings after those results?
It tends to happen. You tend to have about 250 students come to the university in September. But we believe that we've got the ones in that we think are ready to be here. Those that are not quite ready will arrive in September, and you'll probably see those guys being available for us in January. But as I said, I've mentioned 6 senior players that are not around. Of those 6, 4 will be back within the next couple of weeks. And then the squad's very, very healthy again, and it's only really Brad and Will are long term.